Almost without exception, all buildings in the UK are connected direct to the mains water supply, which is turned on and off by a manual stopcock. However, many of these stopcocks are in locations which are difficult to access and are so old they have seized up, which makes them inoperable. Every year, 1 in 8 homes in the UK is likely to suffer a burst pipe or water leak, and with a normal mains water pipe gushing out 1 tonne of water every hour, the effects can be catastrophic. In fact, over £650 million of claims were made in 2010 alone for damage due to burst pipes, and water damage leaks now cost UK insurers more than burglary or fire. Due to the severe winters we have experienced over the past couple of years, many insurance policies have changed and may now not cover frost damage or damage to your home whilst you're on holiday. There is now a modern-day solution for you at a cost-effective price: the intelligent Autostopcock. This patented product can be installed by a keen DIY enthusiast or a plumber in approximately 1 hour and guard your home 24 hours per day. We have a nationwide network of authorized installers who can fit your new Autostopcock for you. Using top-of-the-range RAS-approved valves and sensors, the Autostopcock will detect if there is a flood risk in your home and isolate the water accordingly in instances such as if there is an abnormal constant water flow for more than 45 minutes, indicating there is a probability of a ruptured pipe, if the temperature falls below 3 degrees centigrade and there is a risk of freezing, if there has been no water flow for 72 hours, indicating the property has been left vacant. The stopcock valve is operated from a control box that is situated in an accessible place, enabling the homeowner to turn the mains water on and off immediately and with ease. For times when you require constant water flow, such as for watering the garden, there is an override switch that offers 1 hour of constant water unguarded. As the Autostopcock is battery operated, it will keep working regardless of the situation, and there is an audible alarm which indicates when a new battery is required. For total peace of mind, your new Autostopcock comes with a guarantee against any manufacturing faults.